Let's see how to turn on or off the sensitive content filter in the Telegram application on both iOS and Android devices. If you want to enable sensitive content in the Telegram app and view media such as graphic, violence and other sensitive content in the app, you will first want to open the web browser on your device. The official Telegram app does not have this option in the settings, so we will have to dig a little deeper in your browser. Type Telegram web and then hit enter. On your keyboard, we want to open a website called web.telegram.org, and I will make sure to leave the website link in the description of this video so you can open it from there. When we open the web version of Telegram on our phone, the site will prompt us to log in with our phone number and all that other stuff you want. You can log in with your phone number, but if you have a problem with that, you can scan the QR code by selecting this option right here and then follow the on-screen instruction. When you successfully sign in to Telegram, you will see the screen with your Telegram messages and channels. But we have to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of our screen, and then we will need to select the settings option. When we are on the settings page, scroll a little bit down until you can see this privacy and security option. So click on it to open it. And now just scroll all the way to the bottom of this page until you see the sensitive content option and just check the disable filtering option. That is going to turn off the sensitive content filter in the Telegram application, and we will be able to see graphic content, violent content and all that other stuff. If you want more Telegram tutorial videos and similar things, make sure to subscribe to our channel and then turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching this video and we will see you in the next one.